Hello everyone. In today's video, let's get it the right way around. I have a yarn unboxing from Katia yarns. So if you want to see what I bought, then keep on watching. Hi everyone. Hope you're all well. I am feeling so much better after the trauma that was my iron infusion, but we're not here to talk about that and the severe sickness and flu-like symptoms I had afterwards for a week. We are here to unbox a parcel from Katia yarns. Now, I've never ever bought from Katia yarns before. First off, I love the packaging. So I think they're Spanish. They're either Spanish or Italian. I did try to look on the website, but it wasn't really clear. Brand. I ordered this on Friday, either Thursday or Friday, and it's here today. And today is Wednesday. No, it must have been Friday. It might have even been Saturday. And it came today, and today's Wednesday. Bearing in mind it has been a bank holiday in the UK, so there was no post on Monday, and they sent it 48 hours tracked. So it came really quickly. Love the box, literally love the box. And I bought 3 things, so let's crack on and have a look. I don't have my box cutter thing down here, so we're going for the old scissors. I should have put my phone on silent. If my phone rings, it might be my daughter because she's having an operation today. She's having a gallbladder out. Right. Bear with. Let's get into this box. Let me take the packing slip out. So this cost me, I can't actually remember. Oh, it does come from the UK. Is my address on here? No, it does come from the UK, Ashton underline to be exact. I cannot remember how much this cost. I will pop it on the screen somewhere. I did get lots. I only got 3 things in the clearance section. So I think it's katia.co.uk. I will leave there the links to everything in the description box down below. So sorry, I am waffling. I'm really bad at waffling. I'm so sorry. This box is massive. Is what it looks like, packaged beautifully. So let's crack on. See, so it was free shipping over £30, I think, if I can remember off the top of my head. So the first thing I bought, this was £12.99. Oh my god, this is so soft. This was in their clearance section, and this is their Rocket DK. They do have a couple of these left when I looked, and if my Spanish, GCSE Spanish, doesn't fail me right now, it's orange, rose, and I think it's brown. Mi hablar español un poco. It's colour number 300. Oh wow, this is so soft. So this is 400 grams and it was £12.99. It was really cheap in the sale. So there's this one. So I'm going to be making something very special out of this, and I am going to do a tutorial. I've already made one. This is really cryptic. I've already made one, but I wanted to make another one. I didn't know if it was going to work out because obviously it's my own pattern. So I made one up. It worked. So I'm going to make one out of this, and it's really lovely and it's perfect for autumn. So I have this, which is 400 grams. It does say limited edition. And then this stuff, everything is so soft. So I've got 2 of these, and this is their Pluton, and it is, so I didn't tell you what this is. This is 100% acrylic, this one. And this one is 30% cotton, 10% wool, 7% alpaca and 53% acrylic. This is really soft as well, and I love the colours. I am going to be making a cardigan, I think, for Lily, my granddaughter, out of this. It is lovely. It is beautiful and it will suit her so well. So it's got like flecks of, is it going to focus? Flecks of white in it. Absolutely love it. And this shade is, it just says number 63, if you can read that. And then because it was free shipping, I think it was free shipping over £30, or you could pay a £5 for shipping, I thought, well, I'm going to order something that's £5. Now, they did have some tote bags, but I didn't really like the tote. Sorry, I was really in your face then. The tote bag that they had wasn't really my style. So I got myself, these are like £5.25, some scissors. And they are adorable. Sorry, I'm doing the old influencer thing here. They are just some little black scissors, £5.25 instead of paying for shipping. So I would definitely recommend them. I haven't worked with their yarn before, but I will let you know how it works up. But I am definitely 100% gonna order from them again, because it came so fast. And what I like as well is that they really support like local yarn shops that stock them. So they often, so say you order from the UK, it says on their website that they will use, or like whatever country you're in, they use their local stockist rather than coming from like a central warehouse. They will use their local stockist and they will ship the items to you. So it's like giving back. They're really community focused and family focused as well, which I absolutely love. But yeah, this is my little haul. Definitely going to order from them again. They also do knitting stuff, they do sewing, they do fabric and sewing stuff and embroidery stuff as well. I'll leave the link to their website down below so you can go and check it out. So that's my quick video on my little Katia yarn haul. Hope you enjoyed that. Just a quick little extra. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you all again soon.